Why did Spirit Airlines go bankrupt twice before shutting down? Spirit emerged from Chapter 11, filed again 170 days later, then canceled every flight on May 2, 2026. It was a chain reaction, not one culprit. For more corporate collapse stories, subscribe and let's follow what broke. Spirit helped popularize ultra-low-cost flying. A tiny base fare, then separate charges for bags, seats, and extras. Larger airlines copied part of that offer with basic economy, helping weaken Spirit's edge. According to the Associated Press, by its November 2024 filing, Spirit had lost more than $2.5 billion since 2020. Pratt and Whitney GTF engine issues also left about 25 Spirit aircraft grounded on average during 2024. A judge blocked JetBlue's $3.8 billion acquisition on antitrust grounds, removing one proposed exit, not causing the collapse alone. Spirit's first plan converted $795 million of funded debt into equity and added $350 million in new equity. That cut debt and raised cash, but the examiner found the first bankruptcy did not restructure Spirit's fleet. Spirit refiled on August 29, 2025. A court-appointed examiner found no secret two-step scheme or bad faith. He found unsustainable pressure accelerated by demands from a card processor and aircraft lessor. The second plan aimed to shrink the fleet to 76 to 80 aircraft and cut debt and lease obligations from $7.4 billion to about $2 billion. Then Spirit's chief financial officer told the bankruptcy court in a sworn declaration that a fuel surge added nearly $100 million in 2 months. Spirit said potential government financing became unavailable, and no other public or private funding emerged. The rescue ran out of runway. Spirit shut down because its first bankruptcy fixed debt faster than the business. Its second came amid a liquidity crisis, and the fuel shock erased the last margin for error. Bankruptcy buys time. It cannot manufacture demand, restore grounded planes, or guarantee money. Stay sharp, stay curious, and always ask why, guys.